Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Naveen and you're watching Capsule Pharma News. And if you are a new visitor to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video, and watch the video till the end. And coming to first news, Seven Hills College of Pharmacy, Venkatapuram, Tirupati, Department of Pharmacy Practice is organizing a webinar on career guidance for PharmD on 3rd July 2020 at morning 11 am by speaker Dr. Krishna Andela, faculty, Department of Pharmacy Practice, JSS College of Pharmacy, Mysuru. The registration link is already in the description. After watching the video completely, you can register with the link in the description, and e-certificate will be provided to all the participants of this webinar. And coming to the next news, Chalapati Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences Autonomous is conducting a national level quiz competition on regulatory affairs. This is organized by Department of Pharmaceutical Regulatory Affairs in association with CLPT Alumni Association and CLPT IPR Cell. And the objectives of this quiz are to encourage young minds in pharmacy and let know the importance of pharmaceutical regulatory sciences across the India. And the eligibility for this national level quiz competition is B.Pharm, M.Pharm, PhD and PharmD students. And the registration is free. Everyone can participate in this quiz competition, and the registration details are already provided in the description. From there you can register and participate in this quiz competition. And coming to the next news, Indian Pharmacy Graduate Association is presenting a live webinar on pharmacometrics in drug development and clinical practice, that is moving toward quantitative pharmacology, on 4th July at evening 6 pm onwards by Dr. Jaideep Sinha, M.Pharm, PhD, researcher in clinical pharmacology and pharmacometrics, University of North Carolina, Chapel Hill, USA. Webinar highlights are why pharmacometrics, which questions are asked, and what are the opportunities. The registration link is already in the description, and they are also conducting another webinar on 5th July 2020 at 2 pm onwards on building careers in pharmaceutical manufacturing by Mr. Sampad Bhattacharya, ex-senior Vice President, Sun Global Operations, Sun Pharmaceuticals. And the registration link is already in the description. As I said before, you can register for both webinars with the same registration link. Guys, try to utilize these webinars, and they will give you more knowledge and you can understand more about our pharma profession. And coming to the another webinar, that is Magic Association is conducting a Facebook live talk on a view on safe handling of drugs. This is conducted by Dr. MGR Educational and Research Institute, deemed to be university. This is going to be held on 4th July from 7:30 to 8 pm with Mrs. Devi, Assistant Professor, Faculty of Pharmacy, Dr. MGR Educational and Research Institute. And if you have any queries, they have mentioned some contact details in the brochure. You can contact them and resolve your queries. And coming to the next news, NMIMS School of Pharmacy and Technology Management, Hyderabad campus is organizing a pharma talk, that is listened to Professor N. Jaishankaran, advisor and Professor Emeritus NMIMS, deemed to be University, India, former VC, Kanchi University, on the theme The Future of Learning, that is role of teacher and the mind of student. This is going to be held on 4th July 2020 from 6 pm onwards. If you want to register for this pharma talk, the registration link is already in the description. From there you can register and participate in this pharma talk. Coming to the next news, Association of Pharmacy Teachers of India is organizing a Zoom meeting, that is a webinar on Indian initiatives towards COVID-19 medicine research, and the objectives of this are to create awareness among pharma professionals about Indian government initiatives, the participation of pharmacists to develop the medicine through ideation, studies on existing drugs and antibodies production. And the outcomes of this webinar are preparation of PG and PhD program research hypotheses, and submission of projects for grants in the academic institutions from national agencies. And this webinar is going to be held through Zoom on 3rd July from 6 pm onwards by speaker Dr. Swarnalatha Sara, MPharm PhD, Professor, University Institute of Pharmacy, Faculty of Technology, PT Ravishankar Shukla University. Guys, this is the news for today, and keep supporting me, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you not yet.